What's up, guys? Today is Sunday, guys. Today may I try some Sunday dinner. May I cook some brown stew fish and rice and peas, guys. So, see coconut here, guys. Coconut here, may I grate this. Grate the coconut, it wash already, guys. So, may I grate it. See the fish here, guys, seasoned up already, and the peas is already on the fire. So I'm gonna go ahead now and grate the coconuts. I'm gonna catch me and go grate and grate the coconut, guys. So guys, I done grated the coconut now. I'm gonna juice the coconut now, guys. So catch me when I squeeze out the coconut, guys. Yeah, that good, you know, man. Milk, rich. Milk here now. I'm gonna throw it in the pot, in the rice and peas pot. Guys, I'm gonna throw the oil in the pot for the fried fish.
Yeah, let's stuck it on a nice blow hard.
So guys, I'm gonna season up the rice and peas pot. Yeah, I'm season up the rice and peas pot, guys. So I'm gonna wash them here. Wash them. Scallion and thyme, guys. This in another fish pot to fry the fish. This pepper. Chop the pepper. Take out garlic. Catch me when I finish seasoning up the pot. So guys, see the rice and peas pot there? Just start bubble up. Rice and peas. Jamaican authentic rice and peas. See, guys? Alright. Alright, here, so now I'm gonna put fish in a pot now, guys. Let me see. I let the fish now cook. Fry them 2 by 2, guys. No rush. 2 by 2. Yeah guys, so this a fry with pepper. I don't really flour it, I just do it naturally. This a fry with pepper, scallion, piece of thyme, and 2 head of garlic, guys. So catch me when you fry, guys. Then you wanna cut. Mom, me ready. So guys, see the 2 first fish I fried. So I'm gonna put 2 more in the pot now, guys. So catch up on me. Watch out, watch out. So guys, see the fish again. Yeah, the cut up seasoning now to make gravy. Yeah, man, go fix up something. May I go cut up them here for the fish. So this are sweet pepper, onion, purple onion, 2 carrot, scallion. This are thyme. So may I go wash them here now, cut them up. Fish over there stir fry, rice and peas are bubble up. So catch me when I wash the rice and things. So may I go get them here, wash and cut up for the fish. Catch me, guys. Put the fish in the pot. So guys, see the guys, I put them in there now. Yeah. Okay, guys. Guys. Okay, I get it. Cut the gravy. Okay. Catch it here, guys. Catch it and it's steamy. So guys, rice and peas ready now, guys. Ready to go. So see the rice and peas there, guys. Ready. Guys, the pot a little late because the rain was down and I run out of the rain a little bit. So that is it. And there, guys, roasted fish. When me a share.
Okay guys, see here, Cookie Lily settings, big fish, rice and peas. No matter what's in a vegetable in there. Time ketchup on her, so she no bother do no vegetable. So guys, check out Cookie Lily. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Okay, let's go.